He becomes king at 8. Others rule instead. It is the year 1060. France belongs to its nobles. This is Philip I, a king raised in restraint. When he takes power, he rules carefully, avoids open war. Across the sea, William conquers England. A new danger rises nearby. Philip weakens his enemies indirectly. Divide, delay, survive. Then comes scandal. Philip abandons his queen, takes another. The church condemns him. Authority fades. Respect erodes. Philip dies in 1108. The kingdom moves forward, barely stronger than before.